All right, we have in fact some news just coming in on camera. Rahul inciting Sansad siege. Rahul signals MPs to troop into the well. As PM spoke, he directed yelling squad, massive opposition ruckus. Even as the Prime Minister spoke, the Prime Minister was seen offering water to opposition MPs. All right, these are pictures, in fact, courtesy from Parliament, where these pictures have come in, where it is indicated that Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, at least it appears from the pictures, directed the MPs to storm into the well as the Prime Minister was speaking. He signalled MPs to troop into the well. This is being caught on camera, where Rahul Gandhi seems to be telling the MPs of the India Alliance, the Congress MPs including, to stoop into the well as the Prime Minister was speaking. Massive ruckus on the part of the opposition, as we saw. They continue to chant slogans when the Prime Minister was speaking. BJP's RP Singh is now joining us. RP Singh, these pictures in fact indicate that Rahul Gandhi was in fact asking the MPs to troop into the well. That sloganeering and chanting continued continuously the entire time the PM spoke yesterday.
Well, there's a video which can be seen where he instigating his member parliament to chant slogan and create ruckus in the parliament. This clearly shows the intent of the opposition, which otherwise says that we are prepared to cooperate with the government on the parliamentary protocols and for parliamentary debates, but they are conducting and behaving otherwise. And this is in continuation to how the parliament has functioned earlier in the 17th parliament also, where they did create ruckus and then did a lot of walkout during the parliament session. Even when Prime Minister was speaking on Manipur, they walked out. Even yesterday when Prime Minister was speaking, they created ruckus and chanted slogans in the well. So they have brought the Jantar Mantar to the parliament.
Right.
There's a difference between the Jantar Mantar and the parliament. Parliament is to debate and Jantar Mantar is to chant slogans. But they can't see a difference between the two. And the leader of opposition, instead of asking his member parliament to stop from creating ruckus, he was rather instigating his member parliaments to create ruckus.
All right, I'm going to thank you for joining us, RP Singh, with your perspective on that. These are pictures of Rahul Gandhi directing the MPs there to stoop into the well. Remember, the entire time that Prime Minister Modi spoke yesterday was when the opposition in fact chanted slogans, and continuously there was sloganeering in Parliament, in Lok Sabha, as the Prime Minister spoke. Remember, the Prime Minister spoke in his address, motion of thanks essentially to the President's address. Pictures are from Lok Sabha from yesterday. All right, the Prime Minister also, funnily, during this time, offered a glass of water to the sloganeering MPs who were right in front of him, as you can see in these pictures. He offered a glass of water to the sloganeering MPs who were chanting slogans against the Prime Minister and against the government. Funnily, the Prime Minister does that. Look at these pictures. Rahul Gandhi directs the MPs to stoop into the well of the House. These are pictures coming in from Lok Sabha from yesterday, where there was complete ruckus with the opposition shouting continuous slogans as the Prime Minister spoke on a range of issues and talked about the attitude really of the Congress party. Here you can see in these pictures, MPs stooping into the well of the House. Himanshu Mishra is getting us more details on that. Himanshu, इन तस्वीरों से ये पता चल रहा है कि किस तरीके से इंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया था कि हाउस के वेल पे स्टूप किया जाए। प्रधानमंत्री भी देखे जा रहे हैं इन पिक्चर्स में पानी का ग्लास ऑफर करते हुए ऑपोजिशन एमपीज को, जो पानी पीते भी हैं और फिर अपने स्लोगनेरिंग में कंटिन्यू करते हैं।
देखिए, बिल्कुल प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जब बोल रहे थे तो जो वीडियो आया है उसमें बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि मणिकम टैगोर हो या इवन रेड्डी हो, उनको प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से पानी का ऑफर किया गया और उसके बाद जो है जो कांग्रेस के सांसद वहां पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, उन्होंने वहां पे पानी भी पिया और उसके बाद प्रोटेस्ट को जारी रखा। और प्रधानमंत्री की तरफ से दोनों ही सांसदों को ऑफर किया गया था पानी का गिलास, लेकिन मणिकम टैगोर ने जो है वो पानी लेने से मना किया। लेकिन हिबन रेड्डी जो है उन्होंने पानी का गिलास जो है लिया भी और पिया और उसके बाद फिर से प्रोटेस्ट को कंटिन्यू करते रहे, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जब राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर चर्चा के दौरान जो है संसद में इंटरवीन कर रहे थे, तो लगातार प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे विपक्ष के सांसद, जिसमें कांग्रेस के सांसद भी थे और तमाम विपक्षी दलों के सांसद थे। लेकिन एक वीडियो और भी आया है जिसमें ये दिखाया जा रहा है कि राहुल गांधी जो है वो अपोजिशन के एमपी कह रहे हैं आगे आइए वेल में और विरोध कीजिए, जिस तरीके का वीडियो सामने आया है। तो कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज जरूर है कि लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन की तरफ से जो है वो प्रवोक भी किया गया है कि सांसद आगे आए और प्रधानमंत्री का जब अभिभाषण पर रिप्लाई चल रहा था उस दौरान आके अवरोध जो है वो पैदा करें।
Cool. Himanshu getting us those details as to what really happened at the House yesterday. Congress MP Manikam Tagore is with us. Manikam Tagore, in these pictures, it appears the Prime Minister offered you the water and you did not drink the water, and then all of you continued with your sloganeering. Am I correct? What happened there?
Yeah, yesterday when we wanted the Manipur MP's voice to be heard for 1 minute, he was not allowed to speak, and Prime Minister started his speech. Therefore, we were forced to not hear his speech, but raise that slogan of 1 minute for Manipur. In the middle, Prime Minister offered me water. I said, thank you, sir, but allow him, the Manipur MP, to speak. That only I told. And therefore, our protest is not against any individual. Our protest is against the idea that Manipur's voice is not heard in Parliament. That is the part for us.
Okay. How do you look at the gesture of the Prime Minister offering water to all of you when you were shouting slogans, Mr. Tagore?
His kindness should have been to the voice of the Manipur. When we are, definitely I told you, thank you, sir. Ask him, I told him in Hindi that, धन्यवाद sir, Manipur वालों को बात सुनिएगा 1 minute. That only I told. Because that is more important than this kind of show-offs in my view. Because politics is not about only visual. Politics is about caring about other people also. Manipur is being in pain for long, and Prime Minister is not visited and is not ready to hear the voice of Manipur.
Okay. Also in these pictures, the BJP has put them out, indicating that the manner in which there was a deliberate attempt to ensure that the Prime Minister's voice gets completely drowned is what they indicate, where Rahul Gandhi and the others are suggesting that the MPs, the opposition MPs, stoop into the well. Now, there have been criticism from quarters saying that this should have not been allowed, given that Rahul Gandhi and the others also got an opportunity to speak in Parliament. Mr. Tagore.
There are two things you raised, Neha. One is Mr. Rahul Gandhi's speech. Mr. Rahul Gandhi's speech also, if you remember, day before yesterday, it was Prime Minister himself was a heckling issue. He was doing it for 2 times. Amit Shah ji did it for 4 times. Kiran Rijiju ji did it for 3 times. Rajnath Singh ji did it for 2 times. Shivraj Chauhan ji did it for 2 times. Nishikant Dubey did it for more than 7 times. Anurag Thakur did it for 8 times. This is the heckling part when Mr. Gandhi was speaking. And mic was given to them. The latest part is that whenever they rise, the mic goes to them. For here, when Prime Minister raised, in that time, LOP, the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji asked for mic, and he wanted to put one thing that let us allow one MP, that is 2 MPs are there from Manipur, one is from outer, one is from inner. And you know, Neha knows it and India today knows it very well, that conflict is between 2 communities in Manipur. Therefore, we should hear one voice of it. One voice. Yesterday night, the day before yesterday night, 11:30, one MP was given the opportunity to speak. Second MP should have given this time, but 1 minute we should give to him. That was the demand of leader of opposition. But mic was not given. Therefore, we were not allowed. We were forced to. We were prepared to come and sit to hear Prime Minister's speech, but we were forced by the ruling benches to come forward to the well and shout for 2.5 hours.
Okay. Manikam Tagore, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Thank you for joining us. These are pictures from yesterday in Lok Sabha, where there was sloganeering when the Prime Minister was speaking. Let's take a look at these pictures.
मणिपुर के बोलिए एक बार, एक स्पीकर बोलिए।